So this is alley docking. So if you're a little bit too close, if the back of the car is close to the pole, can you see? You can still see the full pole, eh? But there's a small gap with the pole and the car. So then you turn half a turn away, not towards the pole, away, which is to the left. So turn a half a turn away. As soon as the pole goes away and the gap is even, you bring it a half a turn back again. So bring it a half a turn back for me. Perfect. Now if the top of the pole sticks out with the back of the car, you can see there in your mirror, the top of the pole is sticking out. Now you turn one full turn away, which is to the left. Look at your steering wheel and count one turn. Right, so now look at the side mirror again. Can you see the gap is bigger? It's even on both sides. One full turn back again for me. That's correct, yes. So now, if you don't see the three poles, now you can't see all three poles in a straight line. Now you turn two turns away from the pole. Lock it full to the left. Lock full to the left. Right, so now you see all three poles in a straight line. Two turns back again. 1, 2. Perfect. So now watch this pole. If this pole is getting closer and closer towards the mirror, can you see there's a gap with the pole and the car, but you're not sure if you're going to knock the mirror. Now turn towards the pole, half a turn. As soon as the pole go away from the mirror, half a turn back again. If the pole is extremely close to the car, can you see there in your mirror? It's very, very close. Now turn towards it, one full turn, one full turn. As soon as the pole go away, one full turn back again. Perfect.